Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about Chanel lambskin leather, how it ages, how I look after it, and why I'll never buy this leather in any other color but the black. I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I bought my bag in 2020 and I have been using it so often, almost every single day. My Instagram channel has so many pictures with this bag. I literally wear it everywhere, when going out, when running my errands, and I even traveled with it recently. Before I purchased this bag, I actually watched quite a few videos on YouTube where people talked about how the lambskin leather ages, how it looks over time versus caviar. I have a bag here. I have to say my experience with these both leathers is not the same. Many people said that over time the leather looks shinier, it looks much better than caviar. That's not my experience because over time the bag becomes a bit more dull and the bag gets signs of wear and tear. It's impossible to avoid them, especially if you want to wear this bag quite often. When I just got this bag, a few months after, I noticed the signs of wear and tear, and because this bag is in a black color, it's quite easy to look after it. I can always fix it with my leather dye. However, if the bag was in any other color, for example, if it was in a white color or red or Tiffany blue, it would be a lot more difficult for me to fix it. I feel like lambskin is not meant for a frequent use. I see how the leather changes over time, even if you are so careful with it and look after it. I remember when I just purchased it, I spotted it right away. I think after a couple of months, I started noticing small signs of wear and tear on it, which was quite shocking. And the leather of my bag is a lot thicker than many of lambskin bags in this design and size. It becomes a bit thinner, so if you keep wearing it, the leather comes off. I don't know if my camera will show. You can see this area. The leather just starts coming off, and at the corners as well. It's basically where it touches my clothes, my jeans, the most. And that's the thing with the lambskin leather. It's very delicate. You have to be very careful with it, and I'm typically very careful with all of my bags. I never put them on the floor. I make sure that I don't scratch them. I actually have this leather dye that I have been using on my bag. So I would literally just apply it like this. The only thing is when you keep doing it, try to not to apply it all over the bag, just in a problematic spot. It would actually make the leather harder, and I don't like it. I prefer my leather to feel quite soft. So you dry it a bit more, you can see it looks fine. The leather is shiny. It looks like brand new, and that's what I like. I think if I did not use that leather dye, the condition of my bag would be bad. It would look older, but now it still looks shiny. But given this hassle, I probably won't want to add a bag in a lambskin leather in any other color because I know it will be so hard to fix it. I would probably have to send it for a bag spa every single time, and I can't imagine doing it every few months unless I'm planning to just wear the bag once every 3 months or something like that. And for the money it costs now, it's just not worth it. I have two bags, one in a blue color and one in pink in lambskin as well, and they have some damages, so I'm yet to send them to the bag spa. I'm not excited about that, but unfortunately with the lambskin this is something that I'll have to deal with. And because of they are so delicate, nowadays I don't even want to reach for them, only hardly ever. I mostly reach for my black bag. And here I have my small Chanel classic flap bag in caviar that I also wear quite often. I even take it to work with me. I have a huge laptop bag and I just put my essentials in my small bag, and I like the look of it. It just goes so well with everything. And even after such a heavy use, I don't even see any signs of wear and tear. It's perfectly fine. And even if I had any, I would still use the same leather dye on it because it's so good. But for this bag, I don't even have to apply anything. It still looks like brand new. It's new and shiny. And if I compare, I think they're both still puffy and the quilts did not deflate. They're still the same as before. If I had to choose just one leather, I would definitely go for caviar because it's stress-free, while the lambskin is so delicate. Also, the way I store it, I have to be careful. I have to make sure that nothing can imprint behind, or that the chain is not imprinting on the leather on top, because it can literally damage the leather. Previously, I posted a video where I talked about how I look after my Chanel bags, and I'll link that video in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out. I wouldn't buy this bag in a classic range because the inner flap would get horrible imprints from the chain, and even caviar can have some, but it's not too bad. I have seen some on lambskin and it just looks bad. The whole bag looks okay until you open and look inside, and it just looks horrific. So I think that would definitely put me off. I would only get it in a mini, rectangular mini, or the square, and only in a black color, because I know at least this color I can still fix myself. Unless, of course, I just want to use this bag once a month. However, given the price of these bags, I feel it would be such a waste to just keep it in my wardrobe and not to use it as often. I would only want to spend my money on something that I would wear as much as possible and keep the cost per wear as low as possible. I'm definitely very happy that I have it in my collection. It's so hard to find this bag, and also if one day I'll get tired of it, I know that resale value of this bag is pretty good. It's very popular and sought after. So I would definitely will be able to recover the whole amount that I paid for it, plus the profit, especially given the latest insane price increases. However, I don't think I would want to sell it because this bag is so me. I love it. It suits my lifestyle. It's so light. It's so carefree. And yeah, I definitely don't think that I would be letting it go anytime soon. It definitely suits my style and most of my outfits. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!